Hi everyone, my name is Greg with Simply Random Videos. Today I'm going to show you a short clip on a project that I'm working on with my two sons. This is a 1957 Corvette. This car has been completely disassembled for about 44 years. We are currently working on the body. We are putting all the parts together, making sure all the body parts line up, the gaps in the hood and the doors all line up. Nice even gaps all the way around. I'll be posting videos once a week, so if you please subscribe to our channel, you'll be able to keep up with the progress we're making on this project. This car is not original, and you're most likely going to see a few modifications, modernize it a little bit, make it our own. Once again, thanks for watching, and I hope you hit that subscribe button and come back and watch the next episode. See our progression.